The former CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC and independent four-time MDC of NONGTHYMMAI constituency LATIPLANG Kharkongor had met the chief executive member of the council TITOS CHYNE on 17th December 2020 to lend his support to the executive committee of the United Democratic Alliance under the leadership of the CEM. A letter to this effect was also submitted to the CEM in the presence of members of the executive committee that included MARTYL MUKHIM, JAMBOR, MITCHEL, WANKHAR and TEIBOR PATHAW. It may be mentioned that with the inclusion of LATIPLANG Kharkongor, the strength of the UDA has gone up from 20 to 21 members.
Kasyong haki kada di wanlang rukan biang ni, nakaliang jung ilay taka jingkang kapli bet, naman tajong rojong buat teman namang idon kam menang pangklain cucu menang pangklain cucu, pada jinget taka jingwan jong ba LATIPLANG win MDC, nasim bala senior, bala experience ha bala bat hikam kibubun, atau lalong ru CM, yang ngarai kan yarap sibun ni ke isi ke jumi namang ini wak manang pertelun sibun tikam nakabantaran syakri.
While speaking to newspersons, LATIPLANG Kharkongor stated that his support of the executive committee of the UDA under the leadership of TITOS CHYNE was because of the sense of seriousness and responsibility he had observed of the EC in matters relating to ILP and MRSSA.
Kini constitution kamu ko ILP. Bakit di kayo MRSSA? Sige ka ba one punta ko simbang ki pa ba ko ILP. Ini ko rin ba ikin PC ko mga kasi kaya yung issue makla pun sen pun sen na application ka ILP. But si government wala pa sa constitution ang ko itu MRSSA itu wala pa man private government ban penjenai mo. Jadi iba barang kayak Aisyah kan support local GC ini statement bermain. Suggestion mau suggestion mau. Kita corruption yang sih. Bun subject kan forest ketika orang ini ini nak stick government kam jumlah concerning mau respond ke ini. Ini kita corruption yang sih para three. Deh. Baru di forest kahapni, the land forest, ada what judiciary ni, kerong kali kasar jadi. Ini apa? Jadi neglect juga government, penting naga sentuh government, ini belum cukup.